Hi everyone! Today, I'm drawing Hello Kitty and her friends. Let's draw and color together. Let's begin by drawing Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is a sweet little kitty who loves to spread happiness and friendship. Do you have a favorite Hello Kitty accessory? Next, let's draw Kuromi. Kuromi is Hello Kitty's mischievous friend with a punk rock attitude. Isn't her purple bow cool? I'm drawing my melody here. My melody is a kind-hearted bunny who loves baking and making new friends. Do you like to bake cookies too? Who is your favorite character? Then, I'm drawing Badsmaru. Badsmaru is a cheeky penguin who loves skateboarding and causing a little trouble. What tricks do you think he can do? And I'm drawing Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll is a fluffy white puppy with adorable floppy ears. Wouldn't it be fun to give him a big hug? Finally, let's draw Karapi. Karapi is a fun-loving frog who enjoys playing with his friends and going on adventures. What kind of adventure would you go on with Karapi? Let's add color to these lovely characters. Pinky, bring on the color. They all look amazing. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.